Everybody, it's 10:30 and we're gonna go on a hiking for like an hour. It's like a mile or so hike. So you're gonna enjoy this. We'll see. Tol, tara. Bukas yan. Ano meron, Tol? Kulang yung mga bata. Hindi ba delikado yun, Tol? Bama. Ace! Come on, let's go!
Napunta ako ng edad, Tol.
Ha?
Alam ko yung ganyan mo edad, Tol. Yung nagmamaigit, Tol.
Maigi pa rin. Mary,
Hi, we're in first day of camping here. I mean the second day.
you're gonna go on hiking.
We just finished our breakfast and we're gonna go camping.
Yeah. Meme, let's go. We're gonna go hiking over there. Come on, let's go. Chay, ito mo na ha. We're gonna bring the dog too, the dog. Ate Shay is making lunch. Karina's coming too. Everybody's coming.